Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the basics on Driver Plus, so that tutorial is coming up. So as you probably know, Driver Plus is really only for freeway right now. It's basically, I would say, comparable to basic AP on a Tesla, where basically it can do traffic aware cruise control and lane assist. So when you get on the freeway here, the way you're going to know is when you're driving around, you can see this icon here, the little driver icon with the car on top. So that's how you know that Driver Plus is ready and you can use it. So really all you need to do to turn Driver Plus on is, let me see if I can get into a lane here real quick. Okay, so all you need to do is get in your lane and then you just double tap the driver stalk down. And so it didn't let me do it because I'm too close to the car in front of me. So as you can see that there, the blue line. So basically it allowed me to do cruise control. So you can see here, cruise control with the 63 miles an hour is what it's set at, but it's not doing lane assist right now. And you can tell because it's in that blue circle. So if I just, let's see, let off here, see if I can do Driver Plus now if the car in front of me is far enough. Still too close. So I'm gonna hit the brake, get off of cruise control. So that's one way you can get out of it, is hit the brake or you can hit the stalk up. So let me try this again, trying to get into Driver Plus with the lane assist. Still too far. So there we go. Now it let me actually do Driver Plus with the lane assist. So obviously you can tell because you've got the two blue lines right there. And so it's basically driving on the freeway for me. And as you can see here, this is how far you want the car to be away. So you can actually adjust these. You can adjust that and you can adjust your speed. So since I'm going kind of slow right now, all you need to do is use your right. So for Driver Plus, all the controls are on the right side of the steering wheel. So basically if you want to increase your speed, your cruise control speed, you could just hit the right button. And you can see there, it goes 61. So I'm going to turn it up to like 70 because I'm driving kind of slow. So 73. So basically the right is to increase speed. The left button is to decrease speed. And that's really all there is to it. And basically that's how you adjust the speed here. And if you want to adjust how far away you are from the car in front of you, you roll the scroll wheel. So if you roll it down, it's gonna tell the car to, let the car in front of you be as close as possible. So if you roll it up, it'll be, farther away. So there you go, to adjust it for me, because I had it on the lowest setting and now I increased it a little bit. So if we do that again, if we roll the scroll mouse up again, the car will be farther away from me. As you can see, the car is braking right now to increase that distance. So that's how you adjust those two things. And that's really all there is to it for Driver Plus. And just let the car do its thing and, drive, and obviously make sure that you're still paying attention, because it's like autopilot. It's not like a full self-driving thing where it drives the car for you. So you still got to look out and just kind of be aware, but it, kind of does its own thing. So to get out of this, all you need to do, like I said, is hit the stalk up. But if you hit the brake, if you hit the brake, it disengages the entire thing. And if you hit the stalk up, it'll disengage the entire thing as well. Now, if you want to get just into cruise control, you just hit the stalk down once, and it'll just put it into cruise control. And it's traffic aware, so as you can see, did you see the blue line here? So it's staying away from the truck in front of me by this distance that I've told the car to go. And then again, like you saw before, if you double tap the stalk, then it'll go into lane assist as well. So see if I can do it one more time. Nope, won't let me do it right now. There we go. So it's just, there was something that the car didn't like and didn't want to let me get into lane assist. So now it's in lane assist and it's, doing its thing. And I'm going to turn the speed up again just because I want to. which doesn't really matter because there's traffic right now. So, you know, it's gonna just follow how far the car is in front of me. So that's a simple tutorial on how to use Driver Plus. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.